Hello, ma'am. Good day.
Good day. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Analisa Alipio Arroyo. I am 35 years old, widow almost a year. I have a daughter. She is 17 years old. I have two brothers and I have four sisters. I am the second child of the family.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, ma'am. I've been working in 9 years in Kuwait since May 22, 2010 until October 4, 2019. I do household like cleaning, ironing, washing, and taking care an elder at 85 years old.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I will finish my contract in Kuwait.
Could you say some words Cantonese or Potongwa?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn how to speak Cantonese and Potongwa.
Who will take care of your child if you come to the Hong Kong?
As of now, ma'am, my mother-in-law who will take care of my daughter.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am, I will do.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check first the temperature if he or she is sick, and then I will inform to my employer. If the baby is hungry, I will feed them by their age, and if the diaper is dirty, I will change it also.
Are you willing to share room with kids or newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am, I will do.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am, I will do. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bag full. One for the master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Are you okay if your leave is not on Sunday and Saturday?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your leave is compensated by employee in salary instead of leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of cats and dogs? Do you have your own cats and dog?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to take care of cats and dogs because I have also cat and dogs in my house.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
Hi, hello, ma'am. To my future employer, if you are going to hire me, I promise to finish my contract and I will extend if you need me. I promise also that I will treat you like my own family, and I will do my best to learn how to speak Cantonese and how to learn how to cook the Chinese food. I am trustworthy and honest, and thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.